and all your leaders have sacrificed for the humanity, for education, for peace and communal harmony. In a diverse country like India and a plural society like Kerala, institutions such as Samsara played a critical role in promoting peace, coexistence, mutual respect, and social stability. This approach is especially relevant in today's world, where misunderstanding and polarization can easily disturb social harmony. No other institution in this country. I am also an educationist. It is not a small job which is our great leaders are sacrificing to all of you. I salute Shri Syed Muhammad Jafri Saab for this greatest leadership which he has taken for this greatest value. As Kerala's strongest tradition of literacy, social reforms and communal harmony has been strengthened by institution, and this institution is taking a big legacy in this country.
ಕಪಟ ರಾಜಕೀಯದ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಕೆಚ್ಚೆದೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಂಗಾವಲು ನಿಂತ ಕನಕಪುರದ ಬಂಡೆ, ಕರುನಾಡು ನಾಡಿಗೆ ನೀಡಿದ ಪ್ರಬುದ್ಧ ರಾಜಕಾರಣಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಅರಮನೆ ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಸ್ತ ಶತಾಬ್ದಿಯ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 3000 ವಿಕಾಯ ಸ್ವಯಂ ಸೇವಕರನ್ನು ನಾಡಿಗೆ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸಿದ ಘನತೆವೆತ್ತ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಉಪಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ, ದೇಶ ಕಂಡ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ರಾಜಕಾರಣಿ, ನಿರ್ಭಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವದ ಹಿರಿಮೆ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಗಳ ಉದ್ದಗಲ ವಿಶಾಲದ ಸಮಸ್ತ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಹಾಸಮ್ಮೇಳನದ ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿರುವ ಈ ಜನ ಮಹಾಸಮುದ್ರವನ್ನುದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಅರ್ಹ ಗೌರವದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಅಸ್ಸಲಾಮು alaikum. Warm greetings to all of you. Respected scholars on the dais, honorable religious leaders, distinguished guests, my dear brothers. It is indeed a great honor and privilege for me to be here today on this historic international conference where you all are celebrating for humanity, peace, victory for humanity and victory for humanity through dharma. So today it is a great privilege. Today on the request, on the occasion after Syed Mufti Muhammad Jafri Saab, Tangal Saab requested me to attend this and directed. Our leader Sri K.C. Venugopal ji directed, you should cancel all the program and attend this great event. I am so happy to be a part of this great event. In my lifetime, I have not seen such a disciplined organization which has been in this country. I salute the organization for having great this. I have come here to not give a big speech. I am come here to tell you the entire Karnataka and behalf of my party, I am standing before you to be with you solidarity. You are doing a great job and you have created history. Political parties also can't do this great human service. 100 years has passed. History has gone. And all your leaders have sacrificed for the humanity, for education, for peace and communal harmony. Today it is a testimony of commitment, of sacrifice, of vision and continuity on this Samta's century-long journey. Stands an example of religious scholarship. When guided by wisdom, responsibility can become a powerful force for social goals, a legacy of knowledge and values. My friend was tell a few words in Kannada also. I don't know, a lot of people from here also can understand Kannada. Just 3-4 lines I would like to tell what I repeated in Bangalore. Last year I attended the Bangalore conference. I said, ಧರ್ಮ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ತತ್ವ ಒಂದೇ, ನಾಮ ನೂರಾದರೂ ದೈವ ಒಂದೇ, ಪೂಜೆ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಕರ್ಮ ಒಂದೇ, ಭಕ್ತಿ ಹಲವಾದರೂ ನಿಷ್ಠೆ ಒಂದೇ, ದೇವನೊಬ್ಬ ನಾಮ ಹಲವು. We believe that we all are one. All religions is one. We believe in peace. So whatever we pray, it is for communal harmony and peace to all of us. It is indeed a great honor to be here again. Your commitment for this century-long association, how we all are working for this responsibility. Now a legacy of knowledge and values. As it is in 1926, it was founded with the great visionary leaders for the commitment. These scholars who led this movement understood something is very much important for the knowledge that is the strongest foundation of any community, that the faith must always be guided by the learning, ethics and the values and compassion. Over the last 100 years, Samta has played a very pioneering role in the strengthening the Islamic education, preserving its values with the scholarly tradition and ensuring that religious learning remained authentic, disciplined and socially responsible. It is organized in madrasa system, scholarly leadership and educational initiatives have shaped generations, not only as believed, but a responsible citizen who can contribute to the positivity of the society. Religion as a force for harmony. What I deeply admire about Samastana is as emphasis of the balance of harmony. In a diverse country like India and a plural society like Kerala, institutions such as Samsara played a critical role in promoting peace, coexistence, mutual respect and social stability. Samsara has constantly stood for great ethical values, dialogues over division, wisdom over provocation and unity over fragmentation. This approach is especially relevant in today's world, where misunderstanding and polarization can easily disturb social harmony. Samsara century-long message reminds us the religious should quit upliftment society, not diversity. Contribution beyond community. While this great institution is being serving to all sections, the Muslim community's impact goes to the beyond by promoting education, moral discipline and social responsibility. This is the World Conference. I could see a lot of world leaders have come to participate in this great event, cutting across the political parties, very religious head, education institutions, have all of them been participating here. This unity is giving a big strength. I could see that lakhs of teachers are working in this institution. Over 12 lakh students are being in this institution. No other institution in this country. I am also an educationist. It is not a small job which is our great leaders are sacrificing to all of you. I salute Shri Syed Muhammad Jafri Saab for this greatest leadership which he has taken for this greatest value. No political, I said to you, even governments can't do this great job. It is not a small job which this great institution passing on hundreds of years of is been taking place. As Kerala's strongest tradition of literacy, social reforms and communal harmony has been strengthened by institution, and this institution is taking a big legacy in this country. In this modern civic society, with the various partners, we should respect the scholars and the leadership on this occasion, which is important to acknowledge the immense contribution of the scholars past and present who have guided samsara and humanity and education. The leadership has never been about a powerful or not publicity. It has been about service, and such leadership is rare, and it does appreciation and respect from the section of the society. As a political leader, message to all the younger generation, you should not forget the root. If you forget the root, you will not get the fruit. This is what you should think, that this institution has given you everything a moral, ethical values which has stood and make you sound. Today, Kerala is a great example to the entire country for social harmony. All the leaders, you could see from leaders from all over the world have come here. Businessmen all over the community has come here. Whoever may be big, whoever may be small, here everyone stands equally. That is the strength of this great institution. Education has been taken a very important position in this institution. So the roots are broad. The visions have an important role to play in guiding the youth with confidence and clarity. Shared values in this democratic India. Our leaders also had given a great message from my political party. Very leaders of various political party have come. My friend Mr. Satishan, our Tangal Saab, and all our Mr. Kuti Saab, and all our leaders are here. They are there to guide you, stand by you in all the difficulty times, and all our UDF friends are here to be standing by with you. Irrespective of political party, we stand by all of you to give you strength. So, on the request of Mr. Venugopalji, I decided I cancelled all the program and I participate in this great important event. I will not forget this greatest, biggest organization which has come out. Once again, I would like to tell you that we would like to stand with you. Any kind of support you need, Karnataka government stands committed with you in the entire state and the entire party under the leadership of Mallikarjun Kharge ji and Rahul ji. We would like to stand with you to support you. You are doing a very great human service to the entire country. Thank you for giving me a great opportunity. And once again, namaskar to all of you. Namaskar, salam to all of you.